So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find two-bedroom apartments for rent here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, I want you to go and type in your location. I will use New York City for this demonstration. Now once the location is selected, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top left to where beds are and slash baths are, where it says bedrooms. Make sure that two is selected. Now you can go ahead and go two or more, or you can go ahead and just look for two as an example. So if you just want to go ahead and press on 2 right here, make sure it's highlighted, then press on view results. Now what you're going to be seeing is a refined search on Zumper of two-bedroom apartments for rent. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find two-bedroom apartments for rent on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.